Hey, what's up guys? I got this here I want to install today. Shift knob right here. I broke the original one that came with the car, so I just put this wood thing, drill a hole in the wood and had it there temporarily. But I bought this a few weeks ago online. Came with the rubbers, like you could choose what size suits your car. I'm gonna go with the biggest one, even though it's still a bit too small, but I'm gonna squeeze it on. And it also came with an Allen key and 4 little Allen key bolts. So that's what I'm gonna do. This thing you can actually take apart. If I'm correct. Hold on this one hand. Wait, give me a moment. Okay, this thing from the top you can take it apart. There's a spring inside, it keeps it spring loaded. Whoop, there it went. But yeah, there's a spring inside. And then slave. This is what we're gonna tighten up here. And then that goes over it with the top piece that fell here. This. So for now, I'm gonna tighten this up. And I think I might need to modify something, but we'll see. Okay, I got the rubber now on. It was a little tight fit. Basically, I just went clockwise and then squeeze and press down. I got it down. Now I gotta get this on here. Whoa, okay, wait. I think I'm seeing a problem. Okay, wait, I gotta get this on here. Like via here. I don't know if you can see good. Get that down there. And then what's in the sack, I'm gonna screw the screws here. Screw them in 3. 1, 2, 3. And then it'll be tight, and then we push it. How the fuck this works? Oh yeah, this goes from here like this. And then, so I guess this would have to go first. And yeah, I'll figure it out. That's how the Dutch say, komt goed. Yeah, you know the aftermarket parts, how it works, but in a few seconds I'll figure it out and we'll have a cool ship knob in the E30. Okay guys, this is what I'm working with here right now. The shifter, this piece of the shifter is too short for me to get this on properly. Because if you see, when the sleeve inside goes in, this doesn't go down enough. This doesn't go down enough to give me the space to tighten up the Allen key that's right there somewhere sticking about. So my plan is for now is this piece. I'm gonna go inside and cut a little piece from here off, so then it drops a bit more down, but I hope it'll look good after I'm done cutting it. So I'm gonna go inside, cut that, and then come back and install this. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna got the grinder here with the cutting this. I'm gonna cut this piece off what I taped off, I think would be enough. Then tape this off so when I put it in the vise it doesn't get all scratched up. Then when I'm done cutting it, I'm gonna put this on the grinder. Just try to give it back that smooth edge it had. So now I'm gonna put my gloves on and get the cutting. Okay guys, this is what I did. From here I chopped a piece out of it. Now it actually, see, now if I do so, I can tighten the Allen key that's inside. Oh shit, wait, I'm missing one. One right there. Okay, I can tighten the Allen key that's inside when I drop it on the knob now. And now I just gotta loose the, where did I put this? Where is it? Loose this one a bit. I dropped, but I gotta loose this one as well. and I'll find the best place to put it, and then this goes so, and then tighten it down. And it's got a bit scratched up from the grinder, but it's okay. I'll probably put it like this, or I don't know. But now I gotta put this back on, and then I gotta tighten it down, or it's not, then this won't go over the shifter. So I'm gonna do that and then continue from there. Okay, now shifter is now installed. There we go, but it's tight. Everything should be tight now. I did not use the rubber because the shaft that I have on my shifter here is big already, and it's not like extremely small or anything, so it was not necessary. But normally if your shaft is a bit smaller, you would have to use the rubber to keep it in place, but mine's sitting pretty good. I'm gonna reinstall the spring and the top piece of the shifter, and it should look badass. And I'm gonna try to do this while I'm taping. It's kind of hard, but no, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna give you a little time lapse. Well, not no time lapse, but I'm gonna put my spring in and get my shit together. Okay, the spring is in. I'm gonna tighten this down. Boom. And basically this is the shifter now. Just gonna give this a little not gonna see good, but yeah, let's tighten. Up. Yeah, so it's in. It does have like a little spring effect. I don't know. It's not bad for me because I know what it is, but got reverse, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and a cool ass shift knob. It's better than this wood thing. I don't even think I got the original. No, I probably threw it away already. But the rubber from underneath here was all like dry rot from, I guess, the age of whatever. So the day we picked it up, put it in gear, poof, it broke. Man, this is actually a cheap little shift knob I got online, but looks good. Makes the car look more modern now. And this is from the original shift knob. I just glued it on here so then everyone knows it's a 5-speed. Well, I don't think anyone ever would expect a 6-speed in here. Yeah. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. The shift knob. And thanks for watching guys. Please leave a like and comment. Subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow. It's taking time. I'm not very frequently busy with my car, so I don't always have a update, but I got the rear arms to install as well. I'm just waiting on some cash to get some more tires. Those are not the size I need, so I gotta get tires and I could install it on the rims and then do a complete install, so I don't have like half of the job not completed, let's just say. So hopefully maybe next week or so I may probably get new tires, new or used, depends on how much cash I got to spend. So yeah, and then I'll have 5x120 right round the car because I already did the front already. They have the E36 front hub and E36 shock, and now I just bought a few weeks ago the E36 from a compact rear arms. It's the same, like, yeah, the arms are the same as the E30, so it should be a plug and play. And the plus point about what I did as well is, like, Right now I got drums on, and what I bought has this on it, so better brake upgrade. So it's like a brake upgrade for the old car. And also what I wanted to do was put dual calipers on it, but for my time frame it's not gonna work. So right now I'm just gonna do with what I got. In the future I could always do a dual caliper upgrade for hydro e-brake. Shoop, 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 shoop. So yeah, but once again guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the channel, leave a comment, let me know how you feel. And yeah, later, peace out.